All right, now we're just talking about the operation, okay? We're not actually solving for how many moves there are. Joseph, what is a key word in there that tells you what the operation is? It says, here it is. More than. Good. So I'm going to write down our key word. More than. And what does that tell us? Tell us we're using some addition. Good. And how do we know that? Because when we were doing our notes earlier, you guys said that more than is something that you can use for addition. And it would be, okay? So that's our key word is more than, is showing us that we would use addition to find out how many more moves we have. All right, number 2. Yeah, those are. Number 2, Jupiter has 3 times as many moons as Earth. What operation would you use to find out how many moons Jupiter has, okay? So just the operation, not actually the answer. What do you think? Where's the key word in there?
Good.
Nice. So we got a key word of times. We have that keyword of times. What operation is that going to lead us to do? I see this side of the room is totally got it. What do we think about this side of the room?
That's because I'm on it.
Oh, yeah.
Not.
No.
What do you think? We'll slide. Good. Good. So we got that keyword of times in there, and that's going to lead us to multiplication. All right, you guys can shut the books. We're not going to need them anymore. Put them off to the side so that you guys have more space to write.
Restack them back up. Jokes on you.
Good. So this
Fixing to
is
go home,
one
buddy.
of.
Clearly that truth is really about it if you're going to use language like that in the classroom.
So this is one of the steps that we're going to use.
I was
And
talking to
starting
you.
to write our equations. All right. When we're writing equations, we have to determine what that operation that we're using, things like that. Okay? So, in just a few minutes, I'm going to give you some words, word problems, and you guys are going to use these words to write equations, okay? I want you guys to learn and discover what are some things that you need to put in there, okay? So we know that we need a variable, because we talked about variable today, and using that variable. We also learned that we need to know the operation, okay? So let's look at an example before we get started. I'm ready. So here's my example, and I want everyone to be writing this down. This is going to help you. There you go. All right, Sally. Yep, everyone's written this down. Sally earned $5.
Now, you guys need to be patient. You know that Miss Stapleton is left-handed. As soon as she can move her hand, she will. I don't want to hear one single person say that you can't see. As soon as she can, she'll get it out of there. So don't worry about it. Just fold it and toss it like that.
Sally earned $5 more than Jennifer. Sally earned we're writing our expressions. All right, Karina, can you help me out with a key word in here that we can use? More than. And what would that lead us to tell us? More than. Let's think about that again. If Sally has $5 more, what would be something that we can use? What are some key words that we wrote down? What operation? Addition. There we go. All right, so Karina pointed out a key word for us to get us started in writing our expression or equation. And that this more than can lead us to in this expression that we're writing, there's gonna be a plus sign.